Welcome to another Doc B Theory video. We are in Tonal Harmony Chapter 1 and are going over key signatures. I want to show you the interactive drill resources that are available to you. I think they are really great and totally underutilized. There are several of them throughout the textbook. I'm going to click on Interactive Drill, Identify Major Key Signatures. Okay, but first I want to talk about our two tricks, which are sharp up and flat back. And I also want to go over the order of the sharps, which is with my acronym that I use, Father Charles goes down and ends battle. And the order of the flats, it's just the order of the sharps backwards. Battle ends and down goes Charles' father. We can also double check all of this by being able to draw a piano. So if you don't know how to draw a piano, here's how you draw a piano. Down, over, up, space, down, over, up, big space, down, over, up, space, down, over, up, space, down, over, up, space. And then I go. Okay, so my first example here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sharps. So I'm going to go take my last sharp, which in this case is E sharp, and I'm going to sharp up. So E sharp is right here. E sharp. Sharp up by going a half step up, and I get the key of F sharp. Let's see if that is right. That is right. Next example. Okay, this is one I was hoping that we would go over. It is 0 sharps, 0 flats. And I know most of you know that. 0 sharps, 0 flats is just C major. That's one. That's one of the two keys you just have to know. You can't use my sharp up or flat back trick. You just have to know 0 sharps is C major. This is the other one, 1 flat. We can't use flat back on the key signature to come up with the answer, though we can use it here. B flat, flat back, and we get the key of F. All right, let's do another one. Okay, 4 sharps. My last sharp is D sharp, which is right here on my piano. D sharp, sharp up, and I'm going to get the key of E. All right, now in this drill, you can not only do it in treble clef, but you can also do it in tenor clef, alto clef, tenor clef, and bass clef. Okay, 1 sharp, F sharp, sharp up, and I get the key of G major. We've already done that one. We've already done that one. We've already done that one. Here we go. 6 flats. So my flats are battle, ends, and down goes Charles. I'm going to flat back, and I get the key of G flat major. Let's do a couple more. Five flats. Battle, ends, and down goes flat back, and I get D flat major. All right. Getting the same ones over and over. 2 sharps. My last sharp is C sharp. Go up a half step, sharp up. I get the key of D. So this has been the interactive drill 1-2. Identify major key signatures from McGraw Hill Connect from the textbook Tonal Harmony. Hopefully this has helped you, and now you know how to use sharp up and flat back, along with the order of the sharps and flats to help you identify key signatures. Go ahead and like and subscribe, and stay tuned for a new video soon. Thank you.